Hello everyone. Today I will teach you about quadrilaterals. Any figure, you are using this ruler, any box, your pen box, all are in different shapes, and you will find that each of the four side, one side, two side, three side and four side. Similarly, in your ruler you will find one side, two side, three side, four sides. So, what are the shapes which have four sides called? They are called quadrilateral. See in this figure, it has how many sides? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides it has. So, we will say that a polygon which is made up of 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. So, we will take an example here. Suppose the point where 2 line segment meets is called vertex. So, we are giving name to the vertex. This vertex is A, this vertex is B, this vertex is C and this vertex is D. So, all the vertices I have given name. So, what are the vertices of this quadrilateral? A, B, C and D. 4 vertices. Next, how many sides it has? 4 sides. So, you just see AB, BC, CD, DA, or you can say BA, anything. You know how to name a line segment. So, you will write AB, BC, CD and DA. These are the sides. Next, angles. Angles in triangle, you must have learned that where 2 line segment meets, they form an angle. So, here one angle will be formed, one angle will be formed here, one will be here and another will be here. So, total angles inside the quadrilateral is 4. So, you will write angle A, in short we are naming like this, I have explained in that video. Angle B, angle C, angle D. Actually it is, suppose we have to name this, this is actually angle ADC, but in short we are calling it as angle D, and must remember to give the sign of angle. Next, naming. How will you name this quadrilateral? So you will name all the vertices. Okay, you will name it all the vertices. So its naming will be quadrilateral A, B, C, D or D, C, A, B, anything you can name. So you will write its name as quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Next new term is diagonal. What is diagonal? See, these 2 points are meeting, these 2 points are meeting, but the opposite vertices are not meeting. So if we join opposite vertices using line segments, so how many line segments are possible? 2. Okay. So these lines which are joining opposite vertices like A and C, B and D are called diagonals of the quadrilateral. So diagonal is AC and BD. So how many diagonals in any quadrilateral is possible? 2. And how many sides? 4. Angles 4, vertices 4. Next, one more important thing, that sum of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So is 360 degree. In triangle, the sum of the angles was 180. In quadrilateral, it is 360. Double of a triangle. Next, I will tell you about different kinds of quadrilateral. Maybe sometimes the sides are in different ways. So, I will now explain you types of quadrilateral. Types of quadrilaterals. First is parallelogram. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal is called a parallelogram. Here these two are opposite sides, LN and ON, and they are parallel. Similarly, LO and MN are parallel and side and their angle, opposite angles, angle M and angle O are equal. Similarly, angle L and angle N are equal. See, this is an example of parallelogram. What do you find here? Here you will find these two opposite sides are parallel and these two are also parallel, and you will see that these two sides are equal also. If you measure using ruler, you will find that these two sides are equal. Next example I am giving you of rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles. So what do we find? That just like a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram and this is our rectangle. What is the difference you are seeing here? Not only opposite angles are equal, but you can say that all the four angles are equal and it is equal to 90 degree. Each angle is equal to 90 degree. So in this figure you can say that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D, and all are equal to 90 each. And these two sides are equal also, just like parallelogram. So a rectangle is a parallelogram in which all the angles are right angles. Only the difference is it is right angle. The third is square. A square is a rectangle in which all the sides are equal. See, it is just like rectangle. The opposite sides are parallel. Okay, they are equal also, but the difference is only that all the sides are equal. All the four sides are equal of intersection. Next figure is a rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal. Rhombus is a parallelogram whose all the sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal. So see here, just like this, it's all the sides are equal. Just like square, it's all the sides are equal. And one more thing you will find that they are parallel also. Opposite sides are parallel. All the sides are equal. The difference is only in between square and rhombus is that in square all the angles are of 90 degrees. And here opposite angles are equal. It is not necessary that if it is 90 or 70, it will be 70, it will be 70. If it is, suppose I think it will be more than 90. So if it is 110, it will be 110 and it will be something else. So this is the only difference. Angle L is equal to angle N because they are opposite. Angle O is equal to angle M. And in square what we were seeing that all the angles are equal to 90 degrees. So it's trapezium. This is a trapezium. In this you will see that it's one pair of opposite sides are equal. It's one pair of opposite sides are equal, but on the other side you will see that the opposite pairs are not equal. So a quadrilateral is called a trapezium if a pair of its opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. See, this side is not parallel. So this is, here also you will see, but here these two opposite sides are parallel and the other side also these two opposite sides are parallel, and so it is called parallelogram. But here in trapezium you will find that one pair of sides is parallel but the other one is not parallel, and here you will not find that the opposite angles are equal. So once again, it is trapezium, it is rectangle, it is parallelogram, it is rhombus, and it is a square. So all these are the types of quadrilateral. Hope you are able to understand these things. Thank you.